Hey guys, we are still in the project, still in the Galaga project. We have did some major hacking and slashing of the cabinet. I mean, if you had noticed from the previous videos, it was so waterlogged, like ridiculous, right? The previous owner said you can, get away with a little bit of trim. No, one side had cut off 14 inches. That's how much water had soaked up. The other side was 6 inches, and the the front was so warped. I'm going to put a whole new front on it. Made my cuts for made all my cuts for every piece. There's even a back, small part of the back. Okay, the two sides, the front, and which include, of course, cutting out the coin door. Yeah, it was good. It was all right. I rented a saw from Home Depot. I'm at a point where I had lots of tools, sold all my tools, gave away tools. In the move we had just made 3 years ago. Now I'm building that back up. Haven't purchased a saw, but I rented one. Getting a few hand tools purchased, but the project's going ahead. Still waiting for parts for the monitor, and I'm excited about the monitor. To be honest, it's pretty much dead. It's toast. I am excited to work on it, and they say with this kit things will light back up. So looking forward to that. Looking forward to just getting into that small electronic soldering. Had very little experience with that, so that's gonna be good. A little detail work actually I like, so that's gonna be looking forward to that. So I was just going to do the bare minimum, maybe leave the artwork, touch up the paint, but that's about it. Didn't want to get too in depth with the restore, but since majority of the bottom portion of the cabinet is going to get replaced, and there's somebody previous that actually did a little restore, just a little spray paint, little touch up here, a bunch of screws that I'll have to fix and repair the old holes from it. But I've decided it's got to be a full restore now. It's just got to be done. I got to order the artwork for the sides now, which it's not a big deal. At least now the decision's done. The whole thing is going to get redone, and looking forward to that. So that's good. That's good. That was one of the major decisions that happened this weekend as I was cutting that cabinet apart. It went fairly smooth. Replaced it with the same existing style 3/4 inch MDF. I'm going to use the Craig tool, the little pocket screws. Not too familiar with that. I'm usually just use some other type of fasteners, but I'm going to use that little tool I purchased, and to get those sides bolted together. And as I glue it, those bolts will just those screws will just suck it right in. So I'm looking forward to doing that and see how that works out. It's going along. Today I didn't do a great video as far as the construction end. Already did most of that, and just taking a little break, having a little hot dog here that was outside of Canadian Tire. But yeah, it went fairly well, and I only took a few pictures of the progress today. A little windy. I was doing most of it outside. The video just wouldn't have turned out. So when you see this, I'll add some still shots of the progress and the bit of woodworking I did today. All right, we'll see you next time as the project progresses. Right now, I'm going to take a break on this Sunday afternoon and watch the CFL Grey Cup game, and rooting for the Calgary Stampeders. Go Stamps! We're going to do it this year. Right? Excellent. All right, guys. I appreciate you tapping in and and watching this progress of this project. We're going to keep everybody involved. I just love this as a project for all my family, my kids. My kids live far away, so I'm doing this a lot for them to see this. All right, take care and out.